Go.
I'll be attempting a TikTok. Hold on. Oh, I said attempting. And tried.
Yeah! Oh my gosh! Loser! Well, oh, your shoes!
Yeah, I took them off and your socks are gonna be all dirty.
Hey, and sorry about turning off the camera earlier.
Yeah.
That was an accident. Okay, now watch me do a TikTok, and I'll actually complete it. Unlike somebody.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. Go.
I'm cheating? I'm trying to find the big I looked
Come on, kid. Woo! Nice straight legs.
Japanese, man.
Woo! Okay.
She's a tard.
Yeah.
All right. I want to.
I'm not a tard. I'm I'm just cool like that.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm going on the trampoline, and I'm gonna be doing some.
She's gonna do some awesomely cool tricks.
All right. First, I need to get all this off. I don't know where everything
Mom,
is.
we should get like a stool or something. Get a stool or something, cause yeah. Okay.
Strawberries
What?
are gonna get eaten. All right.
Okay, just wait. We need to go get some chairs, so let's go.
Yeah. Let's go.
It's raining.
Don't trip over this now.
Yeah, last time I tripped over that little thing.
Oh.
Talk about loser.
Ah.
Loser.
Guess it was my time to trip. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Chairs. Where are chairs?
Chairs are over here.
All right.
Hey, look, there's a
It's
bike.
kinda hot out here.
Woo, look, Kim's bike. Okay. Grab this
That's
bike.
a beast.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Oh my god, this is heavy.
Keep. I'll help you. Oh no, you got it.
I'm gonna hit the car.
It wasn't that heavy. She's playing. Okay, go.
Oh, mud again. And a hole.
Ew! We shouldn't go this way next time.
Yeah, I kind of learned that last. Actually, no, I didn't learn it last time.
Hey, look, a muddy footprint. Well, you can kind of tell. Not really. But yeah, there's muddy footprint. Hey, look, my feet. Ooh. Okay.
Freddie, come here.
Freddie, I'm not Freddie.
Yeah, Freddie or Bob?
I'll be Freddie.
Good, because I'm Bob.
Freddie rocks.
Bob is better. All right. Oh, I'm really hot.
Ooh. Okay.
All right. Quit having fun.
Okay.
I'm gonna lose this headband.
Okay, then give it to me. Give me the headband. Oh, where did it go?
It's on the floor.
Okay, I'll just leave it on the floor. There's no way I can't.
I can't see, so yeah.
I can't see you. Oh, that I kind of saw that.
Come closer or zoom in. Ready?
Yep.
Literally out.
Oh, I missed. Maybe I should go like that. Oh, I can't do that because then the people on the TV can't see.
Oh. All right.
That's right. Maybe I can go over here. Oh, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Here, let me come on there with you.
All right.
Woo.
I'll do a layout twist attempt.
Okay.
Go
Okay.
in the hole.
Ow, you don't want to go in the hole. Oh my gosh! You fell.
I did. It hurt. I'm good.
Can we start roasting the stuff now?
You can go ahead and try.
Okay, let's go.
Well, marshmallows just burn.
Bring them over here.
But since we love the YouTubers so much,
We're gonna do it.
You're putting
Yeah.
that on YouTube? They want to watch the strawberry milk.
no, we're trying to cook a strawberry.
Okay, I want a marshmallow.
All right.
Okay, you
Here
got
goes the
strawberry?
strawberry.
It's right. Can you give me a marshmallow? I can't really grab one.
Hold on.
Got camera in one hand. I need a marshmallow. It's empty. Put on.
Don't poke me.
Ooh, look at the fire go.
Okay, let's. I mean, what's your name?
Freddie.
Ready.
Yeah. Ready.
That looks like a tomato in the dark.
Attempt to
Here's my
roast a
marshmallow.
strawberry.
Let me see your
Better
strawberry.
hurry before the flame goes down.
We're gonna like get food poisoning from the plastic.
From Tyler. There's the strawberry. There's my marshmallow.
I need to roast it in the whatever.
Ah!
Does it look like it's getting bigger?
Ooh!
Oh jeez. Doesn't matter. I feel like hose bones.
It won't let me cook the other side.
Here.
Oh, Mom, you retard!
You just put my stick out. I will roast you a perfect marshmallow.
Okay, that's good.
Here you go.
Do you like
them bullets? All right.
Nice good flame. Put your
Yeah, actually I
strawberry
do.
in it.
You can't put it in the flames. You got to do it in the little flames. And I think it's already cooked.
No, you gotta make it burn.
No, I don't want to burn. I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, don't you want to put it in the flame for like a few seconds to warm her up?
Ow!
Does it feel hot?
Do you have any graham crackers?
No smell.
No.
Ooh, this is really hot over here.
Oh, my stick broke.
Oh my gosh.
Are you even taping this?
Yes, marshmallows are good. Okay. Back to you.
Not both marshmallows. Right. It's not even doing anything.
It's not even hot.
You should stick it in the fire for a little bit.
Well, I don't want it to burn.
It won't burn. You just put a plastic
You're gonna
thing.
put it out. I'm gonna make my own little fire.
Ooh, we'll now put it in there.
Oh, I just touched that. All right. Where's the chocolate? I hope this is open.
Yeah, it is. I made chocolate milk with it a couple days ago. And then I gave it to Tyler because it was too chocolatey.
Mmm.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
It's really hot.
Oh my gosh, it's squirting all over there.
Hot fire. Ooh, did you see that?
Is that good?
Is it good?
Look at your face. Your face is priceless.
Yeah. No, it's not good. Not at all.
Strawberries, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe it'd be better without the chocolate. That's too little. We'll try this one more time. I ate the stem.
Ew.
Part of it. Yeah, it's kind of gross.
No, you can't do that.
Because it's illegal.
Then we get in trouble.
Alright. Gotta get a donut and stuff this in there.
Okay, what did you just throw in there?
Burk. Did you just say burk?
Bark.
Oh. Whew.
Hot?
No.
So let me take a look at that. Okay. That better?
Mm-mm.
So it's gross.
Tastes like smoke and strawberries. Not very good.
It tastes like smoke.
I would recommend not doing that.
Okay. And we gotta say bye. Say, oh.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.